Well, good morning everyone. Today we'll start with question number 3 of exercise 9.4. Question number 3 says you have to simplify the given expression. So after doing the required operations, you have to write down the given expression in their simplified or the simplest form. Directly starting with the solutions, I have done few parts of question number 3. Before solving the questions, remember this board mask because we will be needing very frequently in the questions. So all the operations need to be done in accordance with this. Coming to the question, x square minus 5 within bracket x plus 5 next bracket plus 25. This is the expression which is given to you. Now this x square needs to be multiplied with this bracket. This minus 5 needs to be multiplied with this bracket. The same I have done in the next step. X square in multiplication with this minus 5 in multiplication with this bracket plus 25 will come as it is. Now this x square multiplied by x will give you x cube. X square multiplied by 5 will give you 5x square. Plus sign is given, so plus will come here. Now minus 5 into x will give you minus 5x. Minus 5 into positive 5 will be your minus 25 because minus into plus is your minus and plus 25 as it is. Now here this 25 is negative, here this 25 is positive, therefore they will cancel each other. So write down the remaining parts. X cube 5 square minus 5x. This is your simplest or the simplified form of the given expression. Now coming to the fourth part, a plus b in multiplication with c minus d plus a minus b in multiplication with c plus d plus 2 in multiplication with ac plus bd. Right. Now this a needs to be multiplied by this b needs to be multiplied by this. Similarly the other brackets will be solved. So a in multiplication with this bracket, b in multiplication with this bracket, again a multiplication with this bracket, minus b multiplication with this bracket. This 2 needs to be multiplication with the content given in the bracket. So 2 into AC will give you 2AC, 2 into BD will give you B2BD and plus sign, so plus sign will come here. Now A into C, AC, A into D, AD minus, so minus will come here. B into C will give you BC and B into D will give you BD, but it is negative, so negative will come. A into C, AC, A into D, AD minus BC minus BD. These 2AC and 2BD will come as it is. Now make the or shift the like terms together. So AC, search for other AC, here is AC, AC, AC and then your 2AC, so all these AC will come together. Now next is AD, so AD is there, AD is there, then there is no AD. Then comes to your BC, so here is your BC and here is your BC, no other BC is there. Then coming to your BD, so minus BD, then yes, this is your minus BD and 2BD. Now the best way to check that is there any term which is skipped, count the number of terms here and count the number of terms in this step. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It means I have not skipped any of the term. Now if you are able to add the like terms, add them. If you are able to subtract the like terms, then do the subtraction, right? BC and BC, these are your like terms with opposite sign, they will cancel each other. Same AD but with opposite sign, so they will cancel each other. Now AC plus 2AC all are of the same sign, so they will be in addition, you will get 4AC. Here BD and BD same sign, minus 2BD plus 2BD. Now again the terms are same with opposite sign, they will cancel each other, so finally your answer is 4AC. Coming to the seventh part, this is the expression which is given to you. Now 1.5x in multiplication with this bracket minus 4y in multiplication with this bracket minus 4.5x plus 12y will come as it is. Now solving the brackets. 1.5 into 1.5 will give you 2.25, x into x will give you x square. 1.5 into 4 will give you 6.0, x into y will give you xy. 1.5x into 3 will give you 4.5x. Here minus 4 into 1.5 will give you 6.0, x into y will give you xy. Here is the decimal. Minus 4 into plus 4 will give you minus 16, y into y will give you y square. Minus 4 multiplied by plus 3 will give you minus 12, y, there is no other variable, so y will come as it is. Minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now make the like terms together if there is. There is no term with the x square except this, so this will come as it is. Again, there is no term with y square excluding this, so this will come as it is. Now check for the xy terms. 6.0xy, 6.0 can be written as 6, so 6xy. Here 6.0 again, so 6xy, minus, so minus. Now 4.5x minus 4.5x minus 12y plus 12y. Right, now minus 12y plus 12y cancel each other, plus 4.5x minus 4.5x cancel each other. 6xy minus 6xy, they will also cancel each other, so the remaining answer is your 2.25x square and minus 16y square. This is your required answer. So in this way you have to do all the remaining parts of question number 3, plus you have to solve these questions by yourself. These are the binomials which are given to you and you have to multiply them by each other. That's all for today. Have a good day.